Hi, my little lovelies. Today we're going to be reading about chickens. So the title of our story is Chickens, and the author is Carrie Meister. So here we go. Chickens on the farm. I am a chicken. I live on a farm. Have you ever seen a chicken? Oh, I'm sure you guys have. Do you see my flock? So let's look at this word flock and let's look at the photograph. What do you think a flock is? Do you see my flock? So it's not, is there just one chicken? Nope, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm thinking that a flock must be a group of chickens. Do you guys agree? Sounds good. We are all hens, and hens is a fancy word for a girl chicken. Do you see the rooster? He has a big comb. I had no idea that's what that was called, a comb. Did you, boys and girls? Pretty cool. And so a rooster then is a fancy word for a boy chicken. Do you see the fluffy chicks? They need a warm place. Their feathers do not keep them warm yet. Do you see my meaty wattle? It helps me keep cool. It shakes when I run. That's kind of interesting. I'm curious to see how it would help keep them cool. I might have to research that a little more and get back to you. Do you see the rooster's sharp claws? He scratches in the dirt. Do you see my beak? I peck the ground to find food. I eat worms, seeds, and bugs. Yuck. Do you see my nesting box? I lay eggs there. The farmer takes my eggs. She makes breakfast. So this is a really cool label diagram of the parts of a chicken. So we talked about the comb, we talked about the beak, the claw, and the wattle. So it says here, because I want to read about this some more, it says the fleshy part that hangs down from a chicken's neck. It helps with blood flow, cooling the chicken. Well, that's pretty interesting. So, and then I want to go back a page here because, so boys and girls, if we take the eggs out of the nest and they don't get the warmth of mama hen sitting on them, then they won't turn into little chicks and baby chickens. So when we get our eggs, of course, we put them in the refrigerator and there's not a mama hen sitting on them, so they don't develop and turn into chicks or chickens. So just a little fact there. Hope you guys are enjoying learning about the life cycle of a chicken. Stay tuned. There's more coming. Love you guys.